Is your money, your crypto, your assets safe in Coinbase? I don't know. According to the CEO, if Coinbase ever goes bankrupt, you could possibly lose everything. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? It's your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sarah Nicole, and we are back with another video. And today we are going to be talking about Coinbase. Now, if you don't know what Coinbase is actually a centralized platform that is traded publicly, and they actually hold, according to this article, $256 billion in both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies on behalf of its customers. Now, all of their financial information is public because of the fact that they are a publicly traded company. And you can see here that they had a very disappointing first quarter earnings report. They said that the US's largest cryptocurrency exchange reported a quarterly loss of $430 million and a 19% drop in monthly users. Now, the CEO has come out and said that in their terms of service that everyone has to agree to, obviously, when you sign up for the platform, which nobody reads, but it did state that in the event that the exchange ever had to declare bankruptcy, the crypto assets we hold in custody on behalf of our customer could be subject to bankruptcy proceedings. What does this mean? That means that if the company ever had to declare bankruptcy, meaning having all their debt wiped out, the bankruptcy courts would be able to take any of the assets that the company is holding on behalf of its customers and use that towards the debt of the company. The article says that Coinbase users will become general unsecured creditors, meaning they have no right to claim any specific property from the exchange in proceedings. Their funds would become inaccessible. Wow, right? This, I think, was a huge eye opener to many people who are in the crypto space or trying to get into the cryptocurrency space. Coinbase is one of the largest exchanges that many people are using right now. And it's kind of scary to think that if the company were to go under, if it had to file bankruptcy, any of the assets, fiat currency, cryptocurrency, any of the assets that you have in the platform can be potentially wiped out. Now, the CEO did say that they are not on the brink of bankruptcy. Okay, they shouldn't be going into bankruptcy anytime soon. But I say, who knows what the future holds, especially with everything going on right now in the economy, with stocks going down, with cryptocurrency going down. Times are just very uncertain right now. You're probably wondering, well, what's a better way to store my cryptocurrency if I have cryptocurrency that I'm wanting to hold? Now, there are several different things that you can do. You can actually sign up for a Coinbase wallet. Now, the Coinbase wallet is not going to be the same as holding money in your Coinbase account. This wallet is going to be decentralized where it's not really attached to that. So you could be safe there. Now, if you are just totally over Coinbase altogether, you can always use a different exchange to hold it or a different wallet to hold your assets, using something like MetaMask or using a actual physical hard wallet like the Ledger Nano X. But when it comes to holding your cryptocurrency, you want to make sure that you are doing everything you can to protect these assets. So whether you are using a digital wallet or if you're using a hard wallet, you want to make sure that you're keeping your addresses, your private keys, all those things very private and in secure spaces. You want to write it down on a piece of paper, send it to your email, save it in your phone. I mean, you want it in multiple places because you don't want any hiccups with that, right? Because if it's locked away and you don't know how to get access to it, it's gone forever. But this is actually very interesting news to hear about when it comes to Coinbase, because essentially that means, like it says here in the article, that if push comes to shove, Coinbase ultimately governs whether a user gets access to those assets. And to me, that is pretty scary. But like I said, the CEO did say that they are not in risk of going into bankruptcy at this moment. But that is just one thing to keep in mind when you are getting into the crypto space. You definitely want to know what are the risks of having your money inside of these different exchanges, having your money in these different wallets. So that's just a few things to keep in mind. But that's what it says here in regarding to Coinbase. If you guys want me to do another video showing you guys how to put your money into an actual Coinbase wallet so you can move it out of the Coinbase exchange online and move it into an actual wallet, I can do a video on that. Just let me know down below in the comment section. But that's really all that we have for today's video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you are interested in learning how to make money online, investing, entrepreneurship, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. And again, this is Sierra Nicole, your favorite stay-at-home millionaire, and we're going to catch you on the next video.